Hola, hola, bienvenidos. Welcome back to another YouTube video. And as you can see in the title, we bought a house in Mexico. So we're going to give you a little tour of our new casa here in Mexico. My husband is waiting inside.
Hello. Welcome to our casa. So this is the main door to here, and then to my left, this is the powder room. Not for the guests, I guess. Tiny one. We need to put a mirror here, I guess. It's simple powder room, not too much. And then we have our living room area and kitchen area, kind of like the same altogether. So, but we want to put like the TV on the couch over that side. We are still, we still don't know where to put the TV, like on this wall or that wall. I kind of want it more over here, but you'll see.
Let us know in the comments.
And then we have the dining
Dining room.
over here. We don't know what we're gonna do in there. Over this side is the kitchen aisle. So here we need to put our stove. It's gonna be
Induction.
induction, and then we need to put the what you call
Extractor.
extract.
Ventilation.
Yeah, we have our sink, and then we have our our cabinets. It's pretty simple, I think. And then we have our microwave, our oven, and our fridge is gonna go in here. And then we have more drawers over here, to put all your kitchen stuff.
Our little backyard.
I know. Yeah, and then this side is our little backyard here. So we have our water cistern over there.
Cistern.
Yeah. So here we might do fake grass maybe, or I kind of want plants better, but the thing is we are not gonna be here all year round, so it's gonna be hard to take care of them. A couple chairs and a table, and that's it. Over that side is the main road. Hopefully it's not that loud. That door is gonna slam. And then if we go upstairs, we can turn on the lights. So if we go in here, if we go, oh my god, this is their master. Yeah, this is their master, right? Yeah, this is their master. We have a balcony that is facing the street, like inside the complex.
The inside street.
Yeah. So
So
here,
it'll be more quiet on this side of the house.
yeah, and then we have planter, kind of like, I don't know which show, so we can put some plants in here.
They have
Some over there.
They have some of them done over there. But yeah, that was supposed to be included, so they will do that.
Yeah. So that the bed is gonna be that way, so we're gonna be facing that for the TV, and then we have walk-in closet. Kind of like it. It's big. So this is gonna be like
Turn on the light.
It's the walk-in closet. Pretty good, I think. And then you have your sink and your shower. Pretty simple, I think. The only thing I don't like that this thing don't come with mirrors, so we have to put them. I don't know why. And then we go to the second bedroom. The closet is a little smaller, but it's still pretty good space, I think. Little window over here.
Another bathroom. Every bedroom has its own bathroom. Full bath. So everyone has their own shower.
The TV is gonna go over there, and then we have our laundry room slash heater, water heater. So we want to put here a laundry and dryer.
See.
Turn it off. And this is our last bedroom. This one is facing the main street that I told you before. So I can sit down to the backyard a little bit. And this one is gonna be my workroom. So this one has another walk-in closet.
Where's those? Oh, the lights right behind.
Yeah. And that is the other washroom. Pretty.
This will be your washroom.
Yeah.
You can do your morning and night routine. So we will take you for a tour of the common areas. They're right across the street. So even though we have a pretty small backyard, if we want, we can take our morning
Close.
coffee or whatever and
Close.
It's okay. It's fine.
It's gonna slam.
No, it's actually blowing it open.
So we have 2 parking spots. And we don't have no one beside us because it's an end on it, so we just have the parking lot.
Visitor parking 3. So we are an end unit and we are right by the security entrance, so should be pretty safe.
And this is the part that takes you to the common areas, pool, gym, and what you might call the other one? Like
the rooms that you can rent for having birthday parties and stuff like that.
I like the pool. It's pretty big. It's like a semi Olympic, I think.
Yep.
Not bad.
Oh, somebody's doggo.
We have some lounge chairs. I haven't seen no one in here. Like,
Well, there's hardly anybody living here yet. There's only a few people that have moved in.
so you can have your morning coffee in here if you want. They have like a barbecue, and that room is if you want to have like a party or meeting or something. I think you can just
Yeah, you can rent it.
Yeah.
And then they have a little. There's another one upstairs. So this one doesn't have anything. The one upstairs has a bar and everything. So if you wanted to have like a bartender, go upstairs and show them that one. And the gym is up there.
so we take the stairs and the gym is over here. Someone clean. So this is a gym. Oh, she's cleaning.
Let's go for a tour.
No, it's just cleaning.
With some free weights over there. Not a lot of stuff. Cable machine. All that stuff.
And then
Nice.
you have another sitting area, same another barbecue. Oh, and a dead bird.
Oopsie.
And for what I heard, this one is gonna be more like we can have someone here like selling coffee and drinks and stuff, more like a sport bar. Like
No, I think it's if you rent for a party, you can have a bartender.
for what I understood, she said like we can have someone here.
Oh.
That's
Yeah,
why they have the fridge.
The administration can have
Yeah.
hire a bartender and stuff during the day. Like the condo we're staying in right now has a full service bar, but I don't think that'll happen here.
And that's
Another barbecue. So that's the tour. You can see the pool from here.
yeah. And like these ones, they get really big. These flowers. These are the flowers that are gonna get my tattoo.
Your tattoo.
Yeah. And then you can walk. You can walk all around in this level. Oh, we have a kids park,
Kids park. Yeah.
but we don't have any kids. So
Some of the houses back onto the pool area. A lot of them are still under construction. There's a guy working over here right now. Can't
so
have
we have
everything.
four, and
4?
yeah.
Yeah, they should have put 2 upstairs.
What I like is this big mirror. I like that.
He likes his mirrors.
It's just a regular toilet.
So a little bit of a backstory. We bought our first condo here in Playa del Carmen in 2019, 2020. We bought another one in 2021, somewhere around there. The plan was to keep both of those until I retired 3 years from now and, use the income to buy a house here. But we noticed the prices of houses here are going up like crazy. So we decided to sell both condos early. We sold our 2-bed, 2-bath first.
Yeah.
And then so it sold fairly quick. It was on what they call the other side of the highway. So it sold pretty quick. We had a studio at 40th Avenue, so on the beach side of the highway. It took a little longer to sell, but thanks to our great real estate agent, I'll put his information down here. So he sold both of those for us, and then we bought the house here. So we're not going to be living here for another 3 years or so, but I'll be here in the winter for almost 2 months. Him not so much because he doesn't get as many holidays as me. And then 3 years from now, we'll be down here all winter and in an RV in Canada in the summertime. That's the plan. Anyway,
Yeah.
we shall see. A lot can happen in 3 years. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Drop some comments down below if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Ciao.